YouTube channel.
Oh, this one's got livestock.
We're getting a snack at McDonald's. I don't know anybody who doesn't like McDonald's. The chicken nuggets. They're the best. I don't know anybody who doesn't like McDonald's. Chicken nuggets are French fries. French fries with salt sound good, but you can imagine chicken nuggets without salt still taste good.
I don't know. Sometimes they have to park it, you know? I think this is a parked train, maybe. For some reason or another. Oh, look, there's an engine in the middle. Yeah. Do y'all like your McDonald's? Is it good? Yummy, yummy for your tummies. Aiden, look, there's another cotton field up ahead. Do you see it? This is where we saw the goats and the cows the other day.
This is the shoes at McDonald's you do not want to mess with. These are fun. You love these, and they're super fun. And you might want to get rid of these.
Up here, I think it's the Stockyard, Aiden. You can smell it, that's for sure. See? Back in there, they got all kinds of cows and stuff. Yeah, you do. Wow. Aiden, where are you going?
We're going inside.
Yeah? This way, baby. Follow Nina.
You like going there? All right. What's wrong? Nothing wrong.
Oh, Mom, remember we did come here before.
Yes, we have been here before.
I missed this.
You miss
The
it?
map. I missed
You like the map?
the map. What is the map?
The map.
Is that the Bible story place?
One of them.
Come on, baby. Follow Nina.
That's where you have to. Oh, the TV.
Let's tell you about the history of all of the stuff that's happened here in Sherwood.
Oh, I've actually heard the first people.
You heard the first people, huh? I'm not gonna
Is that good, BB? Yummy, yummy.
Best.
What was the best?
What? I forgot how much yours tastes.
You got the coconut one or mango one?
Coconut. I forgot what yours tastes like.
Mine's mango. Yours was coconut.
But, I'm talking about, I forget what it tasted like.
Already?
Yes.
You just finished a whole ice cream bar and you forgot what it tasted like?
Yeah. I forget what yours tasted like.
Our walking feet. Walking feet. You want to run up?
Hello, I've went up down the slide more than going playing with the box. I went to the box like for a stop because I wanted to see a kid that was
There
a
was a
baby.
fun playground in there?
Yes. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.